Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I got this nice, easy to do braided ponytail. So let's get started. So first things first guys, I am going to be using my Xtreme gel. I'm going to be using some water, my gas to be glued that's almost on empty, and I am trying out this Even. It's a extra firm wax stick. I always wanted to try these because I always see it on like those Instagram reels, and I was like, do they even work? I'm gonna try it today. And I have a little bit of coconut oil. The hair was only $3.99. You only need 2 packs of hair, and then you need, like, you know, your little household hair products. That's it. I have my hair and I've been trying to separate it into 3 parts. So you can see right here, this is a perfect example on what I'm saying. This hair is so thick at the top, but look at the ends. It's so thin. So that's why you need 2 packs of hair, because you want to add on to that. But yeah, that's okay. Don't worry, we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna wet the front and the back of my hair because I'm about to put some gel on there. I want it to stay in place. So going in with my Xtreme gel, I am going to use a generous amount. Let me just say that. Don't come in here with no little bit amount, because this thing need to be laid down. Okay, so I need a generous amount to the front, the back, and the sides. Do not forget the sides, y'all. Okay, so we got the ponytail in, and what you're supposed to do now is just mold your hair. So that's why I have my Gots to be glued. And I'm gonna plug up my blow dryer too, y'all, because I need some heat. Not much heat, but I need a little heat on my hair when I'm working with Got to be glued, because it with the heat, it's just drying. It dries so quickly. Okay, so I'm about to try this Even, and ooh, it smells really good, y'all. It do smells good though. It's coconut. Y'all know I love anything coconut. All right, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this on the back of my hair, because I don't want my hair to be wavy or anything like that. And I will be using my headscarf, my silk headscarf, to tie this up. Once I put the ponytail in, this little hump will obviously be snatched up in this ponytail. So now we're about to do the front of our ponytail. And I'm going in with my Gots to be glued. And I'm not gonna put my coconut oil on until after I do my entire look, because I don't want it to look too greasy. And then it might be hard for me to like control this ponytail if it's too greasy. So now you want to grab it back into a ponytail and make it tighter, because what happens is you just put all the extra hair that was poofy. Now you done just put it all up, and you able to just pull it into a ponytail to make the ponytail tighter. So I'm gonna use that Even stick right here on the front of my hair as well, just in case any flyaways want to fly out. We gonna put them back in. Okay. I'm using my little edge brush that I got from the dollar store. Okay, so my hair is sectioned into 3 parts, guys. I'm gonna take this rubber band and just put it around my hair like this. So it should look like this. And then I'm going to put this over my ponytail. And it should be like this. So it should lay just like this to where the weave is on top. Okay, so what you want to do is, my hair is already kind of still sectioned off. So you want to work in the sections that you already took out. So you can see my hair obviously is short compared to this weave. You want to make sure you have an even amount of sections, y'all, with this weave. Like, don't be trying to put more on one side, because it's not gonna come out right. So I have mine sectioned in 3 parts. You can see the 3 parts right here. I'm gonna put a little gel on my hair too, y'all, while I'm doing this. You wanna make sure that this ponytail is tight, like the braid. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this gel because my hair is starting to frizz a little and I don't want it to do that. So, got to do what you gotta do. And you see how it's getting thin? Now I'm about to start adding in my other pieces of hair. And you could take a section at a time if you want. It's really just up to you. You're gonna add it to the back of your hair. And make sure it's even all the way down so that it don't come out uneven when you're done. And now I'm gonna add another piece of hair. Like I said, you wanna make sure it's even. And I'm about to stop my braid. Like I told y'all, I don't want it all the way down to my butt because it don't need to be. That's not what I'm going for right now. I'm going for a quick hairdo. Obviously, at this point, I don't have to worry about my hair frizzing because it's not this long. So it's no way to be down here. It has no business being all the way down here. I actually wish it did, but it don't. I am wrapping the rubber band on at the tip. And I am going to just cut this piece off because I'm not using that anyways. So it looks like that at the tip now. And what I'm gonna do with the top of my hair is I am going to wrap the rest of the weave that I have left around just to make it really, really tight, y'all, and secure because I don't need this falling out. All right, I don't need this coming out. And then once I'm done with that, I am going to tie my hair up and then sit under the dryer so that it can get even harder. I'm gonna start wrapping this around my ponytail to give it a clean look. And I'm gonna leave a little bit to one side and a lot on the other side. And I'm gonna start wrapping it. So just like this, I'm gonna wrap this piece under until it's no more of this left over. And you wanna make sure that you're, you know, like teething it out so it don't look all raggedy. Now I'm gonna go in with the other piece of hair and continue wrapping. Like I said, you just wanna keep teething this out and wrapping it. And this ponytail lasts me about like 4 or 5 days if I'm good. If I'm good to it, it'll last me for a little while. It's up to you if you wanna put bobby pins in here. I don't think I need to put any bobby pins in here because it feels like it's tight enough. But I mean, if you want to just get that extra security, you could. So that's definitely up to you. I don't really like to use bobby pins because they hurt my head sometimes, so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my edges right quick. Y'all know that's not gonna take long because they already kind of was out. So there you got it, okay. Now I gotta go put on my big bamboo earrings, y'all, to complete this. But I'm about to let this dry for a second. And I'm gonna wrap my silk or satin headscarf around my head to let it dry. And I will be back, y'all. Okay guys, I am back. And what I'm gonna do next is use a little bit of my coconut oil. My hair did dry really well, but you know, sometimes when you put gel in your hair, it leaves behind a little bit of white residue sometimes, and sometimes that happens with the Xtreme gel, unfortunately. You don't want to take too much of the coconut oil, but just a little bit is necessary, y'all. Just to give your hair a nice little shine. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to be back in the 70s, 80s, 2000s? I'm just trying to figure that out because I feel like with this hairstyle, you cannot have on these little baby earrings at all. I mean, you could, but I want to make a little statement, so no, that's not gonna work out for me. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of your girl killing this braided ponytail, okay? Like, I got this down pat. This is gonna be like one of my 5-minute get ready with me's, because I feel like if you do it more, you're gonna become faster in doing it. So I'm gonna start at 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go to 5, all right? We'll do it like that. But I'll do a full turnaround for you guys so you can see it. Oh, okay. But no, I think this look is really, really cute. Like, I didn't want to do too much with my hair. And I feel like this is a look, y'all. Like, this is really a look. All I need to do is put on some really, really big lashes and I'm good to go, y'all. So don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video. And as always, for more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.